Who wants to come take a look at an Anthem Showhome in Northwest Edmonton, Kinglet? It is 1,969 square feet, 3 beds, 2.5 baths. It's got a side entrance if you wanted to develop the basement, and it has a main floor flex room. So let's go find out what $625,000 gets you with Anthem. Spoiler alert, cool stuff. Let's go check it out. So thanks for joining me on that tour. What do you think of this? 625, 1,969 square feet, 3 bed, 2.5 bath, main floor flex room, which could be office, den, whatever you decide. And this is with the Anthem. So my clients have just purchased a home with Anthem, and so far they've really been wonderful, and my client got an amazing deal. So if you want to find out what else Anthem might have, there's a ton right now being built in Kinglet. That's exactly where I am, which is Northwest Edmonton. Fantastic family community. Reach out to me and my people. We'll give you more information below. I'll see you in the next video.